Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your email account. And now without further ado, let's start right in the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now today I'll be deleting my Gmail, which is also one of the email service. Now to delete your Gmail, first open up your Gmail account by opening up a preferred browser on your computer first and typing in gmail.com like this on the search bar. And after that, you can see your profile picture icon or your name icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there and you can see the manage your Google account option appear over here. Tap over there, and after that you can see the data and privacy option available over here on the left side of yours. Click over there, scroll down to the bottom of the page like this, and you can see delete your Google account option available over here, which says delete your entire account and data. Click over there, and after that you will be required to enter your password, and you'll enter. And after that you will need to read all this and all these terms and conditions of the Google account. And after that you can see all these apps integrated with the Google account. And now if you want to delete your Google account, click over here and scroll down and click on yes I acknowledge, and again click on yes I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data, and click on delete account and click on delete account, and your Gmail will be deleted. And for now I'll not be deleting my Google account because it's of use to me, and this is the way to delete your Google account. And there guys, this is how you delete your email account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.